Okay. Hmm. 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 ಹೌದಾ ಚಲೋ ಆಯ್ತು ಚಲೋ ಆಯ್ತು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ರು ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹೌದಾ ಅಣ್ ಓಕೆ ಹಾ 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 ಹೌದಾ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಎನ್ ಸಿ Yes, good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Am I audible to everyone?
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is this PPT is visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the last class, we have studied about the equilibrium of rigid bodies. Okay. So can you tell me what is the condition for the equilibrium of rigid bodies for concurrent forces? For concurrent forces, what is the condition? Yes, anyone?
Sigma F is equal to 0.
Yes.
Zero.
Yes. So for a concurrent bodies, sigma fx is equal to 0, sigma fy is equal to 0, and resultant is equal to 0. And what will be the equilibrium condition for the non-concurrent forces?
Sigma F is zero,
Moment
sigma
also
F
zero.
is zero, and zero, and moment are zero.
Resultant is equal to 0, movement about is equal to
Yes, sigma fx is equal to 0, sigma fy is equal to 0, sigma m is equal resultant is equal to 0, and also moment about a point is equal to 0. Okay, when we can apply the Lemm's theorem?
The body should be equilibrium.
Body should be equilibrium, and there should be concurrent forces, and there should be three forces.
And one should be known.
Okay, among one should be known and two may be unknown. Okay, so we have seen this problem. Now whenever the object is in contact with another surface, what is the angle made by the reaction with respect to the surface? See what I am telling, whenever the object is in contact with the another surface, what is the angle made by the object with the surface? This is one object. Okay, in this object
90 degrees.
yes, 90 degrees, good. Okay, this is object. Okay, so for this object, this is the contact surface. Okay, so this is the contact surface. So what is this? Okay, this is contact surface. Iska reaction kaise aata? So normal reaction is this is a normal reaction. Always this normal reaction makes an angle 90 degree with respect to surface. This is always 90 degree. See here, this is the contact surface, correct? A is the contact surface. For this is the normal reaction. The angle is 90 degree. The angle is 90 degree, correct? Everyone? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So when you come to this point, so this cylinder is touching to the surface wall, correct? There is a reaction. This reaction is also again, it is making 90 degree. And here these cylinders are resting on the plane. Okay, what is the reaction made by the plane? So there is a correct, this is the reaction. Okay, the angle is how much? It is 90 degree. So this is a reaction. Okay, this reaction making angle 90 degree. So when you make this is a one triangle, if this is a 90 degree, so this angle and this angle दोनों मिलके कितना रहने का? 90 रहने का. In this one इसमें already 30 degree है, तो इसमें कितना रहता है इधर? 60. If it is 20 degree, what is this angle? 70 degree. Okay, angle
70.
made by the reaction with respect to horizontal is 70 degree. So it means plane angle and your reaction angle should be equal to 90 degree रहने का always. Okay, is it clear? And in this cylinder, it has the diameters are same. There is a reaction. The reaction is okay. So there is a reaction in between these two. Correct. This reaction is parallel to the plane. Is it correct?
Making
reaction is,
idle with horizon.
parallel to the reaction. Hence, the angle made by the reaction is equal to your plane angle. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Angle made by the reaction is equal to your plane angle because the spheres are both are same size. करेक्ट है ना? एक बार रिएक्शन मिला, ये एंगल थीटा मिला तो बाद में क्या करने का? You have to take this free body separately. Okay, this free body separate. And what are the forces acting on this one? Okay, there is a reaction RA. There is a reaction RA. Okay, there is a weight is acting downward. Weight is acting downward. Then there is a reaction RB. RB. करेक्ट है ना? ऐसे लेके सॉल्व करने का. Have you सॉल्व किया ना? Have you solved by your own? और एक बार सॉल्व किया है क्या? नहीं. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is this problem clear है ना? ये problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the problem. Okay. So when you take this first cylinder, what are the reactions you are getting? One is RC, one is RD. Okay. एक बार इसको लैमिस थ्योरम अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. इसको will you apply लैमिस थ्योरम to this cylinder?
No.
No. Why?
There are 4 forces.
Yes. Even though this is equilibrium, but we cannot apply the Lami's theorem because this is subjected to there are 4 forces. So what are the 4 forces? What are the 4 forces? One is RA. Next is
RD.
weight is acting and there is reaction
RB.
at D. And again there is RD. Correct?
RD.
There are 4 forces. So इसके लिए क्या कौन सा इक्वेशन अप्लाई करने का?
Equilibrium condition.
conditions अप्लाई करने का.
Condition.
Everyone, is it clear this problem?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So our first क्या करने का? Just you should check this reaction is the in between contact surface. ये दोनों के बीच में जो reaction है ना, ये reaction is making a angle same as that of plane angle है क्या? और ये angle मिला तो आपको half of the problem is done. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Check this problem. Okay, we'll take this problem later. Okay, I have solved another problem also. Okay. Okay, in the last class I have given this problem. Okay, I will read once again that problem. Cable, correct है ना? Cable का problem.
Yes, sir.
I will redraw that problem. Have you solved? Try किया ना? Is there anybody who has tried? Solve किया? हाँ, have you got the
Yes,
answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So this is the one figure that we will take. There is like this, and again this is horizontal, and again this is another one. Okay, there is, and again there is a like this it was, and there is one. What is this point? What is this point?
A.
This is A. Okay, and this is B point. This is C. This is D. Okay. What is the angle made by the AB with respect to BC?
150.
150 is given. Okay, and CD with respect to BC?
120.
120. Okay. Next, there is a weight is acting here. Okay, so there is weight is acting. How much is this weight? And there is again there are two weights. Okay, two weights. Okay, here there is one weight and here there is a one weight. So this is how much? It is 400 Newton.
400.
400 Newton. This point is E, and this is there is a P2 force and there is a P1 force. Okay. Okay. So what is asked in this problem? To find what you have to find out. To find what you have to find out? What is asked?
Tension in the portion AB,
Yes,
BC, CD.
tension in the force in the member AB. AB में कितना force है? Next, tension in the member BC.
BC.
Next,
CD.
tension in the member CD. CD is how much? Again, there is a, what is the force? P1. Okay. Weight P1 is how much? Weight P2 is how much? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So how to solve this one? So we know that equilibrium Lami's theorem. Lami's theorem apply करने के लिए कितना forces चाहिए हमको? There should be three forces.
Three forces.
Three force में one force should be known. अभी देखो
Known.
joint B में try करो. Okay, joint B. Okay, there is a joint B. For this joint B, how many forces are there? This is one force. There is a two. There is three. Correct. But
Yes, sir.
in this three, which one is known? Nothing is known.
Nothing.
Correct. No force is known. Then we cannot apply Lami's theorem. Correct.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Come to the C point. In this C point, there is a tension in the force, tension in the member BC. There is a tension in the member CD, but there is a P2. Again, no force is known. I don't know any force. We cannot apply Lami's theorem. Again, so you have to go. He has given there is a weight which is 400 Newton and acting at E point. And he has given this is frictionless pulley. Whenever it is a frictionless pulley, okay, it means whatever load is there here, the same load is transferring at this thread or string. Okay, the same load is transferred to this one. Okay, the same load is transferred to this one. Means the tension in the DE is equal to the force 400 Newton. Then the tension in the member CD is equal to 400 Newton as it is. Once if you know this one, then you can apply the everything. Is it clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So apply.
Yes, sir.
So next you have to start. So solution. Wait a minute. Solution. Okay. So how will be the tension here? So this is the tension force. Okay. I will take this is TED. Okay. TED. Okay. So there is a force in this tension. Okay. This is a tension force. Tension like this. Okay. T, this is tension ED, tension in the ED member. So again, there is a tension. Tension is always going away from the joint. Tension is always going away from the joint. Okay. So this is T tension in the member CD. I will take. So again, there is a one more tension. So that is this is the tension force. Tension, which is this name is tension in the member BC point. Again, there is a tension. This is tension. This is going from the joint. That is tension in the member AB. AB or BA, both are same. Okay. Okay. So what is given in the problem? Carrying a weight of 400 Newton at the free end E shown in the figure. In this position, equilibrium of BC is horizontal and AB is 150 degree. He has given it passes around a smooth peg at D. ऐसे दिया ना उन्होंने question में. Okay. So now you can consider equilibrium of or you can take free body diagram actually. Equilibrium of DE okay. So in this case, if you consider equilibrium of DE, okay, so this is a D, okay, this is a weight is acting downward.
Down.
So
Downward.
400 Newton. And upward, what is acting upward?
Tension.
Tension is acting in the upward direction. Weight is acting here and upward there is a tension is acting here. So what is this one? This is tension in the member ED. ED. This weight is acting downward. Okay, downward. So equilibrium condition, equilibrium of TE. Which condition will you apply? Sigma Fx or sigma Fy? Which one will you apply? Sigma Fy is equal to 0. So sigma Fy is equal to 0. T DE or TED, both are same. This is equal to 400 Newton. Is it clear? Tension in the member DE is 400 Newton. aa gaya. Okay. So as D is smooth peg. So tension in the member, tension in CD is equal to tension in ED. Okay, so I will write this point like this. So how to write this one? So tension in a member ED. So it means TCD is equal to TDE is equal to how much? It is 400 Newton. Is it clear, everyone? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now apply or consider free body diagram at C. Okay, you can consider or apply. Now apply Lami's theorem at joint. Which joint? At joint is how much? It is C. Okay,
C.
at C. So now you can draw this drawing. So one is like this. Okay, so this is one member and this is going in this direction. Okay, so this is going in this direction and weight is acting downward direction. Okay, so how to write the angles? So this angle is, what is the angle between this one? How much? 90. So this is what? P2. Okay, this is what? Tension in the member BC, correct? Okay, this is what? It is tension in the member CD, which is equal to 400 Newton. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. What is the angle made by the CD with respect to BC? He has given. It is 120.
120.
Can you determine this angle?
150.
150.
150. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next, apply Lami's theorem. Yes. Can you tell me what is the Lami's theorem? Tell me. Yes,
P2
sir.
upon sine 120.
P2.
P2 upon sine
Sine
120 is equal to
PBC upon
tension BC upon sine 150 is equal to 400 divided by sine
Sin 90.
90. Okay, so you can write like this. I will write this one, tension in labor. Tension in the member BC. Okay. So now you can consider any two equations. Which one is known? The third equation is known. Okay. So consider first and third terms. So consider first and third. So P2 upon sine 120 is equal to 400 upon sine 90 degree. Okay. So now calculate P2 value.
346.41.
P2 value. Yes, 346.41. 346.41 Newton. Is it clear, everyone? Next, consider another force, that is second and third term. So what is that one? TBC upon sine 150 is equal to 400 upon sine 90 is equal to TBC. Calculate TBC.
200.
200 Newton. Okay.
200.
Yes. So these are the answers from the calculations. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes,
Is there
sir.
any doubt?
Yes,
Is
sir.
there any doubt?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No. Okay. So next, once you know the value of TBC find out होने के बाद, how next? What is the next step?
At B.
So we have to
At
apply.
B.
Apply.
Famous theorem at tension B.
Okay, I will go to next slide. So apply. So Lami's theorem.
At
Lami's
joint.
theorem at joint. At joint. Which joint? It is
B.
B. Okay. So in this B, again, there is one member is like this. Okay. That is tension in the member AB. Again, there is another member, tension in member BC. Again, there is a weight which is acting downward direction. Okay. Downward direction. Correct? Okay. So you can write the name of this one. That is, this is tension in the member BC. So this is tension in the member AB. This is P1. Correct. What is the angle made by the P1 and with respect to horizontal?
90.
90 degree. So this is given. How much it is?
150.
150. Then what is the remaining angle?
120.
120 degree. Are you getting no? All of you, समझ में आ रहे हैं ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
In this joint, TAB is unknown, P1 is unknown, TBC. So what is the value of TBC? You have already determined. TBC is 200. Okay. So that you have to substitute 200 Newton. Okay. Now apply Lem's theorem. Tell me now. Yes. Tell me.
P1
P1
upon
upon 150.
Sin 150. Okay. This is
Equal
equal to
tension at B upon sine 90.
tension in the member AB upon sin
Sin 90.
90. This is equal to
200
200
upon sine
divided by
120.
sin
Sin 120.
120. Next, consider these two terms only. Okay,
P1
consider
upon sine.
only two terms. Consider first two terms. That is P1 upon sin 150 is equal to 200 divided by sin 120. So calculate value of P1 is equal to and next one more term is that is P which one? TAB, tension in the member AB upon sin 90 is equal to 200 divided by sin 120. Okay, so calculate the number that is tension in the member AB.
One
P1
Which one?
P1.
P1
1 is equal to
115.47.
Yes, 115.47 is correct answer. Newton. Next, tension in the member AB.
230.94.
Yes, Newton. Okay, so these are the answers from the calculations. Okay, next, finally, you have to write the answers. So, answers. So that is tension in the member AB, tension in the member BC, tension in the member CD. Okay, that is AB is how much? 230.94 Newton. Tension in the member is 200 Newton. Tension in the member CD is 400 Newton. And P1 weight, P1 is it is how much? 115.47 Newton. Next, P2 weight. What is the P2 weight? That is 346.41. 346.41 Newton. So this is answers. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Is
Yes,
there
sir.
any doubt? किसी को कुछ doubt है तो पूछ सकते हैं आप. You can take down now. Take now. Roll number 7. 16. 31. 35. 53. 'Okay. Absent numbers 7, 16, 31, 53. Have you written this slide?
Yes, sir.
All of
Yes,
you?
sir.
Not
Sir,
sir.
me-
Okay, okay, आराम से. Are you getting my lectures? आपको समझ में आ रहे हैं ना मेरे lectures?
yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Sir. Yes, sir.
This is the first time I'm teaching
Yes,
in
sir.
online में. Okay. Actually मैं offline में teach करते थे. So तभी हम क्या करते थे? Each student के पास जाके हर एक questions solve करते थे. But in online you have to be more active. मैंने इतना पूछ रहे आपको. Okay. कुछ doubt आई तो पूछो कुछ ऐसे. Even though if you have any doubt you can ask me. Okay. So आपके पास डाउट रख के ऐसे मत बैठो. ओके. जितना पॉसिबिलिटी है उतना क्लास में पूछो. सो आपको किधर भी एक क्वेश्चन समझ में नहीं आया तो मेरे को मत छोड़ो. ओके. दैट क्लैरिफाई करके आगे जाने का. हो गया. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड को. ओके.
Sir,
हाँ.
can you hear me, sir?
क्या?
मेरी आवाज आ रही है क्या सर आपको?
हाँ. यस. नाउ आई कैन ऑडिबल. ओके. टेल मी.
कीजिए ना.
आपको वॉइस ब्रेक हो रही है. हेलो. दूसरों को
Slide open कीजिए ना.
एक्सप्लेन करने का.
नहीं sir, कुछ नहीं.
Can you write in chat box? I am unable to hear you. आपको वॉइस ब्रेक बहुत ब्रेक हो रही है. चैट बॉक्स में लिखी आपको जो क्वेश्चन है. Oh, it's 60. Have you written? हो गया.
Yes, हो गया sir.
Okay, everyone, is it completed?
Sir, now can you hear me, sir? Now.
हाँ. Yes, yes.
Am
Now
I
I
clear?
can. हाँ. Okay. Tell me.
हाँ सर, वो मैं ये पूछ रहा कि आपने जो पहले साइड में वो आपने वो एंगल टीईडी लिखा है ना.
Okay.
हाँ, मतलब मेरा नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम तो इसलिए मुझे
हाँ.
समझना वो
Okay.
वहाँ पे
ये
टीडी भी
TD.
और टीईडी भी दोनों भी है. वो कंसीडर इक्विलिब्रियम के नीचे, तो फिर उसमें से आपने किस पे लिया आगे, मुझे वो समझा नहीं सर.
ये TED और TCD.
नहीं वो नहीं, वहाँ पे नीचे टीईडी भी लिखा है और टीडीई.
हाँ हाँ हाँ. ओके
मतलब
ओके
वो
ओके.
दूसरा है क्या, वो सेम है?
नहीं सेम सेम बोथ आर सेम. ऐसे भी मैंने TDE मतलब ऐसे इधर से इधर Okay, that is tension is here. There's either this is
हाँ मतलब
TDE.
डी से टेंशन पकड़ने का ना सर
दोनों
हाँ,
सेम ओके
हाँ,
टेंशन इन द केबल इधर देखो इधर TCD में लिखा है इधर से पढ़ना है तो TCD इधर से पढ़ना है तो TDC हो जाएगा
डी हाँ सर
both are same means
Yes.
the tension in the cable CD ओके जो वायर है ना वायर के दो एंड है C एंड D उसमें जो वायर में टेंशन फोर्स है ऐसे DE क्या है एक वायर है ओके स्ट्रिंग वो स्ट्रिंग में टेंशन है दैट इज TDE both are same TDE and TED इधर देखो TAB is equal to TBA okay there is nothing wrong everyone
Yes,
is it
thank you.
completed can I go for next problem okay I will think that all have written okay all of you are done next problem two spheres this is question number 7 or 8
8.
okay two spheres A and B resting in a smooth trough radius of A is equal to 250 mm and that of B is equal to 200 mm as shown in figure as shown in figure find reactions at the contact surface contact surface. Okay. So this is the figure. One is 250 mm and another one is 200 mm. And he has given from this to this, the total distance is given. Okay. There is a center point, there is a center point. Okay. This is A point, this is B point. Cylinder A and cylinder B is given. And here he has given this trough is making an angle 60 degree with respect to horizontal. Okay. Here in this problem only he has given this trough is making an angle 60 degree with respect to horizontal. Okay, so this is 60 degree is given. Okay, now so there are contact surfaces. So I will take contact surfaces. So this much is given in the problem. Okay, so here there is a one contact surface, correct, Aina? So I will take this point, I will take this is C point. Again there is a contact surface. for the cylinder A, so there is a contact surface. I will take this is D point. Again, there is this contact surface. Okay, I will take this is E point. Okay, I will take this point is E. There is a contact surface. I will take it is F. And again there is a E. Okay, I will take this is EF. This is this. I will take it is F. So any naming you can give, no problem. This one point is I will take it is G point. Okay, I will take this point is H point. Okay, this much is given. Okay, naming I have given. Okay, उन्होंने क्या दिया था? दो स्पेयर है. Okay, one is radius is 250 mm and another radius is 200 mm, and this trough is making angle 60 degree. इतना ही दिया था. So how to find out? First tell me what I need to find out. And he has given this angle distance. The total distance is 600 mm. 600 mm. That is from this point to this point. That is from this point to this point he has given. Okay, either say E to H is given. Okay, so first how to solve this one? हो गया diagram सभी का?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just concentrate on this problem, how to solve. So मेरा intention क्या है? What I need to find out? To find
reaction of contact surface.
yes, reaction of contact surface. Can you tell me what are the contact surfaces? There is a reaction in between A and B. What is that one reaction? What is this?
C.
RC. Okay, reaction at a point C. Okay, equal to how much? Next, again there is a contact surfaces. How much it is?
RF.
RF. Okay, RF. I need to find out. Okay, RF. Next, he has given weight. Okay, in the problem he has given weight also. Weight of A and weight of B is given. Okay, so here weight of A, cylinder A is 900 Newton. In the problem he has given 900 Newton, and weight of B is equal to 400 Newton. 400 Newton is given. Okay, from the B cylinder there are two reactions. From the A cylinder, what are the normal reactions? Yes,
RG.
RG and RD.
RG and RD. Correct? We have to find out this one. Okay, in order to find out this one, which equilibrium cylinder I need to consider first? First one, A or B?
Which has less number of
Yes, A or
touches,
B?
मतलब force applied.
A or B?
B वाला.
B.
वाला.
Okay, छोटा वाला we have to consider. Okay, in this equation में क्या क्या unknown है? RC is unknown, RF is unknown, and weight is given. Okay, weight is given. So we, in order to find out the apply the equilibrium equation, what I need to consider? I have to know the RC angle. Correct? How much is the angle made by the RC? So this is RC. Correct, na? This is RC. All of you agree?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So I need to find
Yes,
out this angle. So how to find out its angle? Okay. So this angle, how to find out this one? So there is a, I will take vertical. Okay. Again, I will take horizontal. Okay. I need to consider this is theta. Correct, Aina? This angle I need to find out. So how to find out this one? I have to find out AB distance. Is it possible to find out the AB distance? Yes. This is
Yes.
cylinder ka
Yes,
radius.
sir.
Radius there.
120.
This is
Yes.
cylinder ka radius there. I can find out this one. I have to find out this distance. That is AM. I will take this is point is M. AM distance I need to find out. So can you tell me what is the distance from this point to this point? That is cylinder of this B cylinder. Correct?
Radius.
So, oh yes, and that is radius of this cylinder. Then I need to find out this one. That is EG distance I need to find out. Correct, Aina? So totally
Radius of
600. Totally
तो
600.
परत बोलता का
Okay.
सर फिर से
Yes,
बोलेंगे क्या
yes, I will tell. मेरा इंटेंशन क्या है? थीटा फाइंड आउट करने का पहले. See, from the first problem, उधर जो दोनों सिलेंडर सेम रहता है ना, उसमें से मैंने वो रिएक्शन दिया था. Okay, when this and this cylinder same, reaction is making angle theta. ये थीटा फाइंड आउट करने का रहता. Correct? When both are अलग अलग डायमीटर है तो what is the angle theta? ऐसे फाइंड आउट किया था ना. So ऐसे ही ये प्रॉब्लम में I have to find out the theta value. So how to find out this theta value? ये theta value कैसे find out करने का? That is intention. ये theta कैसे find out कर? उन्होंने नहीं दिया. I have to find out the distance AB. That is equal to this cylinder R1 radius, this cylinder R2 radius. AB आ गया मेरे को, correct? AB is equal to I got. Next I have to find out AM. How to find out AM? Total is known. Total is how much it is?
600.
600. A 600 में से this is I can reduce. This is equal to radius of the smaller cylinder, correct? But I should know this distance, that is EG distance. Once if you minus EG distance, you can calculate AM distance, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How to find out this AM? Here he has given in the problem, he has given the distance is, this is angle, making angle outside is 60 degree. Then can you tell me what is the angle made it inside? This angle
120.
120.
120. 120.
Everyone, is it clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, if you know this one from the basics, there is a normal reaction, correct? This normal reaction is passing through the centroid. Huh? This is normal. Again, there is a normal reaction. This normal reaction is passing through the centroid, correct? Then this, what is this angle? What is this angle? So this is how much it is. It is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. So this is 90 degree and this is 90 degree. Is it correct? All of you. So
Yes,
this is
yes,
90,
sir.
this is 98, this is 120. Then can you tell me what is the angle made at this point?
60.
60 degree. So this is equal to angle equal to 60 degree. Is it clear, everyone? 60 degree. Once if you know this one, so my main intention is I have to find out this angle first. Okay, I will draw one more triangle. So that is from this center to I'll join E point. Okay, so why I have joined means I want to find out EG value. So how to find out EG value? I know the distance, that is angle at E point. कितना हो गया? Angle at E point. Only this point. Only how much it is?
Which is
That is total nahi. Only this much of
60.
60 degree. So from the triangle AGE. Okay. So angle G कितना है? 90 degree है. Angle E कितना है? Angle E 60 degree. Okay. Now can you tell me cos theta? Cos 60 degree. Or you can, what is this vertical distance? Vertical distance कितना है? Is it radius of the triangle?
250.
Is it radius of the
Yes, sir.
sphere? Yes. Apply tan theta. Okay. Tan theta. That is tan 60 degree. What is tan 60 is equal to? AG
opposite
upon
upon
EG.
AG.
Is it correct? AG upon EG in this triangle. So
Yes.
what is known? AG is known. How much is the AG? So I will write EG. I need to find out. EG is equal to, AG is how much? Radius of the biggest cylinder. How much it is? Radius is 250 is given.
250.
250 divided by tan 60. So calculate EG value. How much it is?
14438.
133.
Yes, 144.33 is EG value. Is it clear, everyone? EG is 144.
Yes,
So
sir.
now EG एक बार calculate करने के बाद you can easily calculate the value of AM. Yes, now tell me, any doubt? EG कैसे calculate कर दिया हमने? Any doubt?
फिर से बताइए जरा.
Okay. So I will explain once again. So this is the tricky in this problem. एक बार EG value मिला तो you can solve easily. Everything is easy. Okay, as per the previous problem. So और एक बार explain करते. So concentrate करो. Okay, so I will redraw करते मैंने. Okay, same problem. I will redraw this one. So ऐसे एक ये है ट्रफ है. इनमें से एक ऑलरेडी सिलेंडर है. Okay, so this is cylinder. Okay, is it visible, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So इनमें से क्या है already? There is one point. That point is A point. Okay, the point is A point. The point is there is A point. Okay, A point. Okay. So there is M point. I say Okay, perpendicular है वो. So there is again, see, so this is perpendicular point. I want to find out this distance. So वो distance find out करने के लिए first what I need to do, I have to draw this one perpendicular. This is one line. This is one more line. ऐसे है. Okay, so there is a what is this name? इसका name क्या है? D point. इसका name क्या है? G point. What is
G
this
point.
one? This point is E point. Are you getting? All of you concentrate. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is a tricky. How much is this angle? He has given 60 degree. Correct. So what is the interior angle? Interior angle कितना रहता?
120.
120.
Okay. So this is 90 degree high already. This is 90 degree. Okay. That is reaction made with respect to surfaces. That is 90. पक्का. This is 120 हुआ तो what is this angle? 60 degree रहता है. So मेरा intention क्या है? I want to find out the EG value. I want to find out. This is 60 कैसे आ गया?
Yes, sir.
हाँ कैसे आ गया? वो एक this is what? Rectangle है. एक rectangle में कितना रहता? Interior angle rectangle में 360 रहता. 360. This is 90 degree. Okay. This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. 180 हो गया. Means ये दोनों मिलके कितना होने का? 180 होने का. इसमें ऑलरेडी 120 है. So बाकी कितना रहता? 60 degree रहता.
60.
So it is as good as your 10th पे one there is a circle. Okay, there is a point, outside point. When you draw a tangent to the circle, so
वो
this
टच
is
करके जा
angle
रहा
is
था
equal
सर
to
वो वाला ना.
and this is double right there. ऐसे रहता था ना. Okay, that is this point. Okay, so don't worry that all. Just concentrate at this point. Okay, so next मेरा intention क्या है? EG value find out करने का है. So how to find out the EG value? So just I will draw a triangle from A to E. Okay, I have drawn this one A to E. So what is the angle made by this triangle? Okay, angle कितना रहता है? Can you tell me this angle? Total is 160 हुआ तो एक triangle हो गया. कितना रहता है? Is it 60?
60 आएगा.
60.
Now tan 60 is equal to from this triangle AGE, from triangle AGE. What is the value? Tan 60. Tell me. AG upon EG. AG upon EG. मेरा इंटेंशन क्या है? EG फाइंड आउट करने का है. EG is equal to AG upon tan 60. What is AG? AG is equal to the radius of the bigger cylinder. What is the radius of the bigger cylinder? It is 250 mm divided by tan 60. Tan 60 you have to calculate. Okay, tan 60. So finally you will get EG is equal to 144.33. Is it clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
किसी को डाउट है क्या? So EG find out किया तो आपका more than 50% of the problem is solved already. Can I erase this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Next, what I had to find out? Yes. Now tell me what I need to find out after EG find out करने के बाद. After EG find out करने के बाद.
AM.
AM. So next is I have to find out AM. AM is equal to
25567.
see total is how much? It is 600 minus EG minus radius of cylinder B. Correct? Radius of cylinder B. Okay, I will not write RB. I will write radius only. Radius of cylinder B. Cylinder B. So that you will get. आपको समझ में आएगा. AG is that is 600 minus EG is 144.33 minus radius of the smaller cylinder is 200. Na?
200.
200. What is the value of AM?
255.67.
0.67.
255.67. 255.67 mm. AM. Okay, mm. Is it clear everyone? सभी को क्लियर हो गया? कैसे हो गया? हाँ? बस.
Yes, sir.
एक बार AM आ गया. Next, how to find out the value of AB? हाँ, how to find out the value of AB? Just tell me how to find out the value of AB?
50 plus
उन दोनों का रेडियस
Yes,
सर.
yes, correct. Okay, AB is equal to AB is equal to that is radius of cylinder 1 plus radius of cylinder 2, that is equal to 250 plus 200, that is equal to 450 mm. That is AB equal to. Is it clear, everyone? AB.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next what you have to find out? Theta value.
BM.
So tan BM का necessary नहीं. हमारा intention theta है ना. So tan theta is equal to नहीं already है. A है. So you can apply cos theta, correct? Cos theta. So what is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to AM upon AB. So cos theta is equal to AM value कितना है? AM is equal to 255.67. Okay, this is the value. Next, divided by what is the AB? AB is equal to 450. So calculate the value of theta.
सर 0.568 आया सर.
नहीं, ऐसे कैसे?
55.37.
55.37. चेक करो और एक बार.
यस सर करता हूँ.
All of you check it. This is the value of AB. This is the value of theta.
55.37
Yes, theta, and this is. Yes, correct है ना? Theta value.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. एक बार theta आपको मिला है तो it is done all the problem. So next क्या करने का? We have to consider equilibrium of cylinder B. Next we have to consider equilibrium of cylinder A. Correct? Yes. We will solve this equilibrium equation in the next class, that is afternoon class. Now you have to take down these all things. All of it down. Complete करो पहले.
सर अभी आपने सिर्फ 2 क्वेश्चंस लिए ना सर आज? आज आपने सिर्फ 2 क्वेश्चंस लिए ना?
हाँ, 2 cylinders का.
हाँ सर.
2 cylinders का प्रॉब्लम पूछ रहे हैं ना?
नहीं, नंबर ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स कितने लिए?
हाँ, 2 हो गया. कल का एक था वो केबल का और ये प्रॉब्लम.
हाँ सर.
यस, एनी अदर डाउट?
सर ह्याच्यामध्ये आपण लोक रूट 3 आणि रूट 2 असं डायरेक्ट यूज करू शकतो का? जर
हाँ, बेटर डेसिमल में रख सकते हैं ना. रूट 2 कहाँ पर रखते हैं? इधर है ना, टैन में. हाँ, इधर रूट में रखते क्या? बट एग्जामिनर में उनके पास जो आंसर्स रहते हैं ना, इनके पास क्या रहते हैं? डेसिमल में रहते हैं. वैसे भी रख सकते हैं. दैट इज नॉट अ रॉन्ग. ओके, दैट इज आल्सो करेक्ट. ओके, बट फाइनली इधर थीटा जो आता है ना, वो डेसिमल में आएगा आपको. ओके, 55.37 ऐसे भी रख सकते हैं. नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, सो बेटर यू कैन राइट लाइक दिस वन. और बाकी कुछ डाउट आएगा रहेगा? ओके, ऑल द प्रॉब्लम्स एक कॉमन थिंग है. क्या है? थीटा फाइंड आउट करने का. दोनों सिलेंडर के बीच में जो रिएक्शन है ना, वो रिएक्शन इज मेकिंग एन एंगल थीटा. वो थीटा कैसे फाइंड आउट करने का, दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. बराबर. ऑल द प्रॉब्लम में वेराइटीज है. प्रॉब्लम मैंने देखा, सेम सिलेंडर्स देखा, एक ही प्लेन में देखा. नेक्स्ट अलग अलग सिलेंडर्स देखा. अभी अलग अलग सिलेंडर्स है, अलग अलग प्लेन है. हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द थीटा वैल्यू, दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. एक बार थीटा वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने किया तो हो गया. नेक्स्ट इज वेरी सिंपल. यू हैव टू अप्लाई इक्विलिब्रियम ऑफ फॉर स्मॉलर सिलेंडर. नेक्स्ट यू कैन अप्लाई इक्विलिब्रियम इक्वेशंस फॉर द सेकंड सिलेंडर, ए सिलेंडर. हो गया सभी को?
सर मुझे वो अभी तक नहीं समझा सर. वो थीटा 55.37 कैसे आया सर?
ओके, cos थीटा इज इट करेक्ट?
क्योंकि मेरा कैलकुलेटर सर वो पॉइंट में दिखा रहा है.
हाँ, एक मिनट सुनो ना इधर. cos थीटा इज इक्वल टू AM अपॉन AB. इज इट करेक्ट है ना? इज इट करेक्ट? AM अपॉन AB. ये ट्रायंगल ABM, फ्रॉम ट्रायंगल ABM मैंने एक सेंटेंस लिखते देखो इधर. ओके, सो फ्रॉम ट्रायंगल ABM. Okay, cos theta is equal to AM upon AB. Is it correct? ए
सर वो
upon
cos
AB।
इनवर्स नहीं लिया है इसलिए पॉइंट में
हाँ यस
हाँ
यस
ये
cos
सर
inverse।
cos इनवर्स लेना पड़ता है
हाँ
थीटा इक्वल टू cos
एक इधर पॉइंट समथिंग आएगा आपको
हाँ हाँ
बट
वही रह गया था हाँ
यस गुड
यस सर
cos इनवर्स ऑफ आंसर करने का आ गए ना आंसर।
हेलो सर,
हाँ बोलिए।
वहां पर हमने cos थीटा क्यों लिया? आई
cos
मीन
theta।
sin थीटा भी ले सकते थे।
हाँ यस वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन यस गुड। एक है ए बी एम ट्राइंगल में कौन कौन सा वैल्यू मुझे मालूम है, ए एम मालूम है
BM
एंड
माहित
ए
नाही ना आता
बी
English.
मालूम है। सो बाय कंसीडरिंग ए एम एंड ए बी which trigonometric function we can apply, only cos theta apply। आपको आपको in case you we have to find out bm find out कर सकते हैं। how to find out bm, can you tell me, can you tell me bm
FH minus H.
Pythagoras theorem ab square minus हाँ am square, so under root of ab square minus am square करेक्ट है ना, am square। ऐसे किया तो bm मिलेगा आपको। एक बार bm मिला है am मिला है देन ab मिला है, यू कैन अप्लाई एनीथिंग, tan थीटा भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, sin थीटा भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। अभी sin थीटा यू कैन नॉट अप्लाई, sin थीटा अप्लाई करना चाहिए तो क्या चाहिए आपको bm, ओके bm चाहिए, bm अपन ab करेक्ट है ना, bm अपन ab। सो ऐसे एक tan थीटा अप्लाई करना है तो क्या चाहिए, tan थीटा इज इक्वल टू bm अपन am। सो sin थीटा एंड tan थीटा अप्लाई करना चाहिए तो you should have bm value, without bm you cannot apply। so this
सर
is एक
BM ची व्हॅल्यू काढायची असेल तर ते
Yes,
FH
yes.
मायनस AG करून चालत नाही.
yes okay bm bm calculate, you can calculate it, bm calculate किया तो you can go for sin theta और tan theta, but मेरा intention क्या है, थीटा वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने का है, this is my intention।
No sir,
बरोबर।
that another trick, that is FH minus AG is equal to BM.
fx
That's
minus
not right.
ag
AG.
fx कहाँ है,
FH
fh
That-
एक मिनट ये भी कहाँ है, f हाँ f
वर्टिकल है सर
fh okay fh okay fh how to find out fh,
minus AG.
how to find out my fh, that is
Nah, that is another method. I said that.
हाँ वैसे भी कर सकते हैं, yes fh if you know the fh, but I don't know value of fh।
Sir,
कैसे find out, first you have to find out bm find out
छोटा
पहले
सर्कल
you have to find out bm, you have to find out ag is known because this is radius but I don't know the value of fh, okay this is the simplest method whatever I have taken। okay so next is you have to apply the cylinder equilibrium questions, I will take that in next class, okay now we will
Sir.
stop here okay tell
थीटा
okay
दोन
एक
पॉइंट
मिनट one small
पुढेपर्यंत
announcement, one small, so किसका those who have written no, you can if you want to go you can go, okay others if you have doubt you can ask me, okay tell me।
सर जे थीटा आहे ते
हा.
दोन डेसिमल प्लेसेस करेक्ट यायला हवं का, एकाच डेसिमल प्लेस लिहिलं चालेल का?
no better write two decimal point, okay 2 decimal point is good। ये
सर
थीटा
जर
है ना,
8 आलं तर
एक why you are writing only one place, better write it in 2 decimal no, करेक्ट आंसर्स आते हैं आपको, बाद में हमने रिएक्शंस फाइंड आउट करना है ना, उनमें से करेक्ट आंसर आएगा आपको। सो ऑलवेज यू हैव टू राइट अप टू 2 डेसिमल्स ऑल द पॉइंट्स। अभी रिएक्शन लिखना टाइम पे अभी 100.57 आए तो वैसे ही लिखना पड़ेगा, ओके राइट अप टू 2 डिजिट। यस एनी अदर डाउट?
So present
Present I have taken no,
sir.
only 3 numbers are absent, okay that is 7
सर 11 को
16,
प्रेजेंट किया है एब्सेंट सर
7 16 31 53 absent numbers, absent number 7
Sir 7 present.
7 present okay 16 31 53 only 3 numbers are absent,
16 present sir।
16 present okay good, next 31 53 2 are absent, okay any other doubt?
31 is present.
Who is 31? Who is 31?
समीर कचरे मी सर
31 है क्या?
भाई सर मेरा रेंज प्रॉब्लम है,
ओके ओके समीर कचरे ओके
सिग्नल कट जाता है बीच बीच से।
ठीक है So means 53 only absent number. Okay, good. हाँ, अभी बोलिए आपका डाउट.
जब आप प्रॉब्लम लेते हैं तब स्टेप बाय स्टेप समझ आता है, बट हम जो सॉल्व करते हैं मनाने म्हणजे
Okay.
step-
हाँ.
तो समझ नहीं आता कि फर्स्ट क्या करना है, थीटा
हाँ,
करना है
ओके
क्या.
ओके गुड. अभी अंडरस्टैंड करने का, मैंने जो सॉल्व किया ना वो प्रॉब्लम एक फिर से एक बार देखने का. जस्ट यू हैव टू वॉच इट. ओके, सो देखो कैसे सॉल्व कर दिया सर. फर्स्ट व्हाट इज आस्क्ड इन द प्रॉब्लम, क्या पूछा है उन्होंने. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव रिटन व्हाट इज आस्क्ड इन द प्रॉब्लम. सो व्हाट इज आस्क्ड हियर इन दिस प्रॉब्लम, क्या है लिखा है, आरसी इज व्हाट, आरजी आर रिएक्शंस फाइंड आउट करने का. दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप यू हैव टू राइट. आपने ये लिखा है तो वो फाइंड आउट करने के लिए क्या करने का मुझे. ओके, आपको वो समझ में आएगा. इधर देखो, ये सिलेंडर को लेमिस थ्योरम अप्लाई करने का है. लेमिस थ्योरम अप्लाई करना है तो क्या चाहिए मुझे, एंगल्स चाहिए. सो दिस एंगल्स थीटा आई नीड टू कैलकुलेट. ये थीटा कैलकुलेट करने का इजी है क्या. ओके, इजी नहीं. मेरे को ये साइड एंड दिस साइड आई नीड टू कैलकुलेट. दिस साइड कैलकुलेट करना है तो इजी टीजी. ये रेडियस है, ये वैल्यू नहीं ना. सो इसके लिए क्या करने का, I have to shift to total distance he has given. Okay, ये distance में से EG value I have to calculate. एक बार EG value मिला है तो I can calculate AM value. Okay, step by step. Okay, it is not easy. Okay, you have to practice. एक बार लेने का एक problem, you have to solve by your own. आपको ये definitely you will get stuck. Okay, again you have to open your notes. Again, once again you have to verify where I am getting stuck. Okay. So how sir has solved in this problem, वो देखने का फिर से चालू करने का. ओके, रिपीट करने का. दिस विल कम बाय प्रैक्टिस. एक नहीं तो 2-3 बार ऐसे प्रैक्टिस करो, आपको बहुत इजी हो जाएगा.
ओके
ओके, दिस इज यू आर बिगिनर्स. ओके, दिस विल बी एट द बिगिनिंग स्टेज, यू विल गेट डिफिकल्टी, बट ऐसे नहीं छोड़ने का. सो यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस.
एंगल
हाँ, ये देखो मैंने इतना प्रॉब्लम्स 3-4 प्रॉब्लम्स लिया, उनमें से जस्ट हाउ टू फाइंड आउट थीटा. थीटा इज इंपॉर्टेंट. एक बार थीटा करेक्ट आए तो रेस्ट इज इजी. हाउ टू अप्लाई द लेमिस थ्योरम एंड इक्विलिब्रियम कंडीशंस. करेक्ट.
यस सर.
ओके, प्रैक्टिस करो, आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं आता. सेम, टेक द सेम प्रॉब्लम, डोंट कॉपी एनी अदर प्रॉब्लम. टेक सेम प्रॉब्लम, सॉल्व इट बाय ओन. ओके, आपको फिर से एक बार ट्राई करिए.
ओके सर.
एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस? नो. Okay, now can I stop this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll meet in the afternoon class. Okay, thank you all. Take this screenshot. Okay, thank you all.